Hey guys, Jared Wesley here, back for another trade review. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Today is Monday, August 20th, 2018, and I want to talk about the two trades that I took today on Nvidia, and I took another trade on Lulu today. So let's dig in, guys. Only two trades today. I got about 3-1 on my money today, so not too bad. I was hoping for a little bit more than that. So I ended up making about $1,400 today. I was looking to make about $1,600 or $1,700. So I did cost myself just a little bit of money. So anyway, the first trade, guys, is Nvidia. So notice the Nvidia, guys, as soon as it opened, and it gapped down today, right? It gapped down to 243. When it opened, it immediately climbed higher on the 2-minute chart. And after this wide range green bar, it came back and got completely engulfed with a wide range red bar. Here at Live Traders and in the Professional Trading Strategies Manual, we call this particular pattern a turnaround bar, all right? It's a turnaround bar play. They're very potent, okay? So we got in this thing at 243. You can see that over here, 243, with a stop loss at 244.50. Now, realistically, I probably should have used 245 as the stop loss, but it was a little bit wide. In fact, I really wanted about $1 stop loss, but I tried to mitigate the difference. So I chose the middle range, which we often do, guys, which is about 50% of the bar. So we ended up using about 244.50-ish, a little bit less than that, okay? So anyway, it triggered, and it did a really nice job. In fact, it did such a nice job, it gave you the opportunity to add to this thing right here at 242.20 and lower the stop to 243. I did not do that, but you could have done that. Now, where this thing got me, which was a little bit of a bummer, is that my target was actually $240, okay? And it went down to $240.20. All right, and then it chopped around, chopped around, chopped around. So as it's chopping around, you know what happens. Idle hands are the devil's workshop, right? Well, for me, that happens to be true as a trader. So I'm sitting here going, oh man, I missed my target by 20 cents. I was up about 750 bucks on it. My goal was 800, just over 800, right? All over $50. And I see this thing coming back against me. So long story short, I ended up taking it a little bit early. And as you can see over here, I only made $703 on this on a trade I should have made 800 on. A lot of that is because of the grinding back and forth nature. It was about 20 minutes, and you know, I like to get in and out quickly, and this trade started out very nicely. In fact, it would have probably hit target if maybe the market was just a little bit better today. If this stock wasn't at support, that was one of my concerns, which you can see in the video. But anyway, $700 in about 25-30 minutes isn't too bad, okay? The next trade I took today was on Lululemon Athletica, one of my favorite stores in the world, especially for the ladies out there. $132 was the entry, and the stop loss was under the bottoming tail. This is just a simple 2-minute, 1-minute base breakout, okay? And you can see over here, I called Lulu 132 by 131.20, but this is important, okay? It's very important, so pay attention, all right? I'm a real trader. I don't trade simulator horse shit. In the real markets, guys, stocks are spready and whippy, and you can see the Lulu right now. In fact, I'll bring this up here. Right now, this thing has an 8 or 9 cent spread. When we traded this thing, it had about a 20-cent spread. It was very thin. The volume was very thin. The spread was big. So even though it was an 80-cent stop loss, I had to share size for $1. Why? Because if it stops me out at 131.20, it's probably going to fill me at 131.10 or 131.05. Therefore, I share size for $1 even though my stop was only 80 cents. What does this mean? This means that my target's going to be a little bit bigger. I need like a $2 target, okay? I got filled a little bit late at 132.12, okay? You can see that down here, 132.11.6. All right, and this thing moved up pretty nicely, very painlessly for the first 8 minutes of the trade. It went about 1.5 to 1, and then we ultimately got that target up here. Again, I sold a little bit of this early because I got filled late and it was so whippy, but ultimately I got $710.24 out of it. Again, my goal was 800. So you can see, guys, on both trades, I got about 90% of my target, and then I got a little bit jittery and a little bit nervous. So I made about $1,400 today after fees. I should have made about $1,600. That was my goal. So pretty close to the goal, but not quite. They're the only two trades I took. You can see at the bottom of the screen, guys, $1,394.84. And this happened in about 35 minutes today. Okay, this ultimately went on to go higher, and had I been more patient, I would have gotten my $800. Same with NVIDIA. Had I been more patient, I would have gotten my $800, guys. So part of being a profitable trader is not only picking great patterns, but it's also adhering to your trade management. And today I did a pretty good job of that. Give myself an A minus, B plus, A minus. But I did cost myself just a little bit of money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this trade review on NVIDIA and Lulu, guys. And just remember, if you want to be a great trader, guys, the number one thing you have to be is honest with yourself. The number two thing you have to be and have to understand is yourself. Most traders fail in this business because they're terrible at money management. Money management. Blowing up accounts is not cool. It's not a badge of honor. It's foolish. Okay, so money management's number one. But the number one thing you have to really watch for, guys, is how are you reacting to certain situations. Okay, and what I mean by that is you won't know how you react in real money trading until you actually trade real money. Okay, so what I'm getting at, guys, is a lot of traders put together a trading plan on paper, and that's great. Theory is great, but can you apply the theory? All right. How is the application of that theory going? This is where most traders mess up. You want to know why there's so many great educators out there, but so few great traders out there? Is because the application of the theory. It's no different than being a college university professor. They teach in college for a reason. Sure, 150, 200 grand a year is nice. You can make way more than that in the business world as an analyst or a hedge fund manager, okay? Why do they stay in college? Tenure, less stress, and theory and reality are two different things. I'm here to tell you in trading, theory and reality are different. The theory of the patterns is great. Can you get filled at that price point? Did you get filled at that price point? Did you get skipped? If not, watch my trading video. I know it's a little apropos, but it's called Trading is Bullshit. All right, check it out on YouTube, okay? I put it out, I think, a few days back. Why? Because real trading is a lot different than theory trading and simulator trading. You won't know what your reaction will be until it actually happens to you. When you get skipped and watch it work, and then the next trade stops out, okay? Or when you're in a trade and things are going well, and then all of a sudden it pulls back against you. Will you sell too soon or will you stay in it? These are the things I'm trying to teach and trying to get out there on YouTube. The difference between theory and reality. Again, to finish this off, there are a ton of great educators out there. There are very few great educators that are also great traders. Most of those guys are trading on simulator. Heck, some of them flat out admit it. Flat out admit that they're simulator trading. I find that incredible because you have to trade real money to feel real emotions. Hope you guys enjoyed the trade review on NVIDIA and Lulu. Have a great day. Enjoy the trading montage to follow. Have a good one, guys. Take care. Jared Wesley, Live Traders. All right, guys. We're going to open up here shortly, so have your favorites and have your pages saved that you'd like to have saved. Guys, watch NVIDIA, guys. Look at this engulf on NVIDIA. 243. Guys, 243. $1.50 stop, guys. $1.50 stop on NVIDIA. 243 by 244.50. NVIDIA 243 by 244.50.
Order filled.
All right, there goes NVIDIA, guys. The problem with NVIDIA, guys, is the 241 area. So I'm a little skeptical of getting in right here. All right, on NVIDIA. It's got to break 241. We need a lot on NVIDIA, guys. We need like 240, okay? We need like 240 on NVIDIA. This is what, guys, on NVIDIA, this is where my worry is. This is where my concern is. By the way, we're going to go break even, guys, on NVIDIA, okay? All right. Sabir, I can answer that a little bit later. I'm kind of in the middle of something here. Guys, this is the concern on NVIDIA. All right. I've said it earlier. Let me pull this up a little bit. Right here. See that bottoming tail? 241.20. That's the concern on NVIDIA. That's the concern. All right? 241.20 is the concern. The 60-minute pivot. That's the concern. If we get under 241, this thing should just a little bit more.
Order filled.
All right, took a little more off there, guys. You know what? Let's give this thing a shot, guys. Lulu, guys. Lulu. 132 by 131. Here it is, Lulu. 132 by 131. 131.20. But I'm still typing, guys. Share size for $1. Okay, share size for $1. This thing is, I'd like to see it wait about 3 or 4 minutes. Really don't want to see it trigger right here. It's so thin and so whippy. It's not a great pattern yet. Want to follow the rules, man. Want to follow the rules. What was ballsy? Took EL under one of the 40. Yeah, honestly, I wouldn't call that ballsy. I'm just being honest with you. I would call that stupid. Guys, I got filled at 132.12 on Lulu, starting my order at 131.96. Isn't that awesome? Like 16-cent slippage on the entry. Guys, like I said, on NVIDIA, if it gets 240.85, I'm going to walk on NVIDIA, guys. Lulu, we need a lot, okay? I got filled really late on this. Well, not really late. 12 cents isn't terrible. But we need a lot, okay, on the NVIDIA. Did I say NVIDIA? I meant to say Lulu, okay? So we'll see. NVIDIA just went down to 85 and didn't fill me. So we'll see. Hopefully it goes just a little more. All right, I'm out, guys. I'm out NVIDIA, okay? Now it can drop. Out NVIDIA for 1.5R. I think it's slightly less than that, guys. Slightly less. Lulu, another 20 cents, another 15 cents. We go to even on Lulu, guys. But I'm going to move the stop on Lulu to 131.80. If it breaks 133, we go to break even, guys. That's always been the rule. Okay, that's always been the rule. So if it breaks 133, we go to break even on it. Break even for me is going to be 132. I'm going to give up the 12 cents, guys. All right. So like I said, I'm out NVIDIA for $700. I was really hoping to get 800 out of this. That was my goal. But the way it's handling this area, I don't know. When I get out, a lot of times they rip and go. I don't know. Lou. Let's put that up there just to make sure it's in. Come on, baby. 20 more cents. Guys, Lulu stop is now 132.90. Lulu stop to 132.90. Okay? Lulu stop to 132.90. I don't know why that camera is not catching up, guys. There it is now. Like there's a delay in the camera, and I can't explain why. I don't know. 20 more cents, baby. Getting extended up here. Worst case, we'll make just under an R out of it. Worst case, because I'm going to keep my stop up in that 132.90s something or other area. We can just get one more pop. That would be great on this thing. There we go. Come on, baby.
Order filled.
Out, Lulu. Done. You guys are still seeing the green, but it's gone. There it is. All right, out, Lulu, for about 1.5R. All right, so not quite 3R today, guys. Not quite 3R. About 1,400 bucks. Honestly, I was trying to do a little better than that. I'm not going to lie. My goal was to get 1.7, 1.75R out of my trades today. When I came in today, that was my goal, was to get 1.75 out of them.